Okay, in the following two examples, they look quite difficult, and honestly, they are a little bit challenging if you have to solve these by hand. But the instructions say use a calculator to find the numeric integral. So if you have a basic calculator, well, I should say not a basic calculator, but a basic graphing calculator, minimal is like a TI-84, it does not have uh, computer algebra system, so it's not going to do actual integration of functions for you, but it will do a numeric integral. That is that it will evaluate this integral if you have limits of integration. So let's go ahead and take a look. The hardest part is going to be how do you type in the function, okay? Because this whole calculation is actually quite simple. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here's my calculator, all right? And I'm going to use the first problem here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Math, and then I'm going to click 9. And notice that it says fn int. So Math 9. And then it shows you your integral symbol. You're going to type the limits of integration, in this case from 0 to 7. All right, again, the hardest part is going to be typing in the function. All right, so we're going to hit alpha y equal to bring up our special menu number 1, because we are integrating a fractional or a rational function here. X over 100 plus x squared. And then we have to tell the calculator, well, what is our variable? So our variable here is x. Okay, and so we're set up. We can find now the numeric integral on the calculator, and we just click enter. All right, and let's say 3 decimal places works for this. Okay, 3 decimal places will work for this. I'm going to say it's 0.199. So let's go ahead and write that as our answer here, 0.199, and we're going to box that. Okay, nothing really to it. Okay, so let's pull up the calculator again, and we'll answer the last question here, number 6 that I've got. Let me clear the screen for you. Again, we're going to go Math 9. Okay, we enter our limits of integration 0 and 4. All right, key over. Now we're going to say x squared, and then we've got an exponential function with a base e. So I'm going to hit e. I'm going to type 2x there. And again, I have to tell the calculator dx. I have to tell it what variable, with what respect to what variable do we want to integrate. All right, after that, we hit enter, and we get something like 18,630, and I'm going to cut it off to 2 decimals, so 0.74. So really nothing to it when you're doing a numeric integral. So let's go ahead and write that one, 18,630.74, and that right there is how you would use the calculator to find a numeric integral. Other than that, it's really easy, nothing really to worry about. Okay, there's advanced techniques needed to actually perform these integrals by hand. All right, we're not going to get there. We're learning how to do them right now on a calculator. We'll reserve how to do these by hand for a little bit later in the course. So, as always, I hope this video was helpful, hopefully was informative. But remember, like and subscribe.